So here's the deal. If a customer ever bought something from you, Shopify won't let you totally wipe them from the system. Gotta keep those order records and such, y'all know. So, but there might be some workarounds. You could like flag the account as inactive so they can't buy anymore, or you could also dish their email and phone number while keeping the order info for your records. Just make sure in any situations you have their email if you want to, but overall if you want to delete, let's say a customer, let's say this account, I can select actually two, and then I can go to here. I have three dots here, and I can select here delete customers, but you can also click on that customer. So I can click on this customer here, and then here I can see the customer, but also if I scroll all the way down here, I see I can't. This is a test, but anyways, this is a test order, but you have here again delete customer. Again, for the next one, if you scroll, it used to be like that, but now if you click on here, here you have erase, also erase personal data, request customer data, merge customer, or send account invite. Here you have test delete customer. You can create order if you want. Here you have the option to do so, but overall you can collect payment and then save. Just to show you here that now you don't have the option to delete. Here you can, but it's better off if you go to orders, and then here I like to, if by mistake I did that, I can fulfill the order, or I can cancel the order from here, and then I can click on cancel order. But just remember that all you have to do is just customers, and then you can click on here to delete customer. Anyways, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials if you found this helpful.